So really, it's a revolution. There's a little glitch here because I talk about the medical profession and their basic inability to solve problems. And if I may give one example, I talked to my neighbor yesterday. He's 41 years old, has diabetes. He comes over, we talk about plant-based. So he goes to the doctor. Doctor gives him 3 pills a day. A month later, 4 pills a day, 5 pills a day, 6 pills a day, 7 pills a day. The diabetes is not going away. Of course not, because you haven't solved the root cause. It's the fats accumulated in your internal organs are making the cells unable to do their job. You stop eating those animal products and your blood sugar is going to come right down to normal, and then you can eat a healthy plant-based diet. Your diabetes will be gone. You'll outlive your doctor. Can you imagine what doctors are going to say when they hear me talking about these things? Thomas Radzienda is not a doctor. That's against the law. I have friends warning me, Tom, be careful what you say. Okay, so this is not medical advice. But doctors out there are explaining it is medical advice, but not from me. It's from T. Colin Campbell, Joel Furman, Neil Barnard, Dr. Greger. I mean, these are lifetime doctors who have saved the lives of so many people. If we can get this book into the hands of some Thai doctors and they start realizing, oh my God, all I do is give people drugs. I never get rid of the disease. I just treat the symptom and I see these patients month after month until they finally die from their cancer, from their heart disease, from their diabetes. The doctors are not doing their job. And this hurts because we have friends who are doctors. I have relatives who are doctors. I go to the doctor. I see my dentist or a skin doctor. I have some ailment I can't heal naturally. I consult with doctors. So I think they need to be changing. But who am I? I just wrote the book.